In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Minecraft account from PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Once you open Minecraft on any platform, they are going to ask you to assign a Microsoft account. So after you do this, you have the option to unlink that account. So as it stands today, the only account that you will be able to unlink is your Microsoft account, and this can be done on any platform, including PlayStation 4. So to do this, access the settings. From the home screen, before you join any world, choose Settings. And now on the options at the left side of the screen, go over to Account. So you will find the account category between audio and subscriptions. In here, you will see your current gamer tag, and you will find the option to unlink the Microsoft account. So all that you have to do is highlight this option and select it from the account menu on the settings. In here, you will see this big wall of text. If you unlink your Microsoft account, you will no longer be able to save purchases made on your PlayStation console to your account displayed here. After unlinking, you will not be able to access Marketplace, you will not be able to play with friends on other platforms, you will not have access to realms, including active realm subscriptions. Unlinking it here will affect all Minecraft games on your PlayStation console that have used this Microsoft account. All of your unspent tokens will still be accessible from your account from PlayStation Network. If everything looks okay and you would like to proceed, highlight the option here and select it. So be aware of all of the warnings and proceed. You will be able to link the same or a different account later, but when it comes to unlinking accounts, this is going to be the only relevant option in Minecraft on the PlayStation 4. You can also do the exact same thing on a PlayStation 5 or other platforms. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.